Hey Super Swing Traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Alright, let's take a look at ROKU stock, ticker symbol ROKU. This chart is the monthly. You can see the 1 month, every candle is 1 month. Take a look at the 1 month first because that is the highest time frame that we're trading. We're trading the monthly, weekly, daily. So our highest time frame to make decision is the monthly. Our middle time frame is what we use to confirm our trades, and then the daily is actually our entry time frame. So we use that to enter our trades, but we use the next two highest time frames to help us direct what our bias is and whether or not we should stick to that bias or wait for validation. Alright, so this ROKU stock, it is a relatively new stock, so this is all the information that we have. Started in September of 2017, and so it's only been on the market for 2 years. Alright, so we can see that it's an obvious uptrend. You can draw the trend line like this. So it's an uptrend. It broke this high and the EMA just started going up. So we have a level of demand right here, and then it formed a really poor basing, but this is also another area of demand. It's pretty weak, but so if price breaks this, then we want to go long down here or down here. Alright, so recently, just this month, it's formed a bearish pin bar candle and it's dropping like a rock. Well, you can't really see that it dropped like a rock here, but on the lower time frames you will. So we want to go long down here possibly, or let's see what opportunities we have on the downside. The weekly, we have a downtrend because you can see this was a level of demand that broke. So this is a downtrend. You can draw the trend line like this. Actually, like this. Okay, yeah, so technically this is still in an uptrend because this is the trend line is still going up, even though one area of demand is removed. It still hasn't broke the trend yet, so I would say that this is an uptrend. So price has came down into this area of demand on the weekly. It's pretty strong. Still an uptrend. Monthly is in an uptrend, so this is a good area to look for buys. On the daily, we have supply being created up here. There's just a tremendous amount of selling pressure because I don't know, because of Comcast or some news. I don't care about the news. We don't trade off the news. We trade off of what we see on the charts. So you can see price has reached this really strong area of demand, but my only concern, and same with the 4 hour, reached an area of demand down here where I could probably draw the zone smaller. Hasn't reached it yet, but pretty close to it. Could do it could be, let's see, actually, yeah, I mean, it hasn't reached it yet, but pretty close. So we're expecting price to do this. We're expecting, let's say daily is my entry time frame. We want to see price kind of just form a candle here, And then we want to see strong candles forming. And then we can go long here. Or else we want to see price do this. Let's see, let me use a marker. I want to see price kind of react to it and then go up. So then does that, and we want to go long right here or right here or whatever on the way up. Okay, so that's what we're looking to see. We can't just set a buy here and that, because my only concern is that this is very heavy selling pressure. I mean, the bigger the selling pressure, the better it is for the bounce, but it's gonna take a few days, few weeks for price to decide what it wants to do, because sometimes the news is we know that supply and demand is what drives the markets, but the news just makes everything go faster. So no matter what the news is, it's gonna make price move faster. We already know that it could potentially bounce from here, and we're just playing our odds, but the news makes the bounce faster, or whether it's slow or fast. So we want to wait to see for opportunities to go long. I mean, you have for the 4 hour, if you take the 4 hour trade, this area right here is a drop, so it could potentially create an area of supply right here, so your potential profit could be lower, but if price goes up, it's more than likely going to break this area. Okay, so that was the analysis on Roku stock, ticker symbol ROKU. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.